Hello, hello, hello. This is George Coatings by the Bay, your local ceramic coating expert. We are exclusive to the installation and maintenance of ceramic coating. And today, I have a beautiful silver Ford F150. This was a paint-only package, but they did upgrade to an 8-year coating versus just the 5. Paint was in pretty great shape overall, so we did stick with just a polish, except some minerals across the roof. Yeah, it's 24. So a little bit of correction done up there, no charge for it. But yeah, this turned out beautiful. I mean, this is a wonderful color by Ford. Silver's great in general because it'll hide minor imperfections going forward. So even if you were to get a little bit of contamination in a washment or something, it wouldn't show out right. But the gloss is just incredible on this color match cap. But yeah, 8-year coating, so full exterior detail, buffer applied polish, isopropyl alcohol bath, and then he upgraded the 5-year coating to an 8. The gentleman's coming to pick up today. I know he's going to be happy. He said he was picky. He drove over an hour, even with plenty of options between he and I am certainly glad he wound up here, and I hope he feels the same way when he picks us up. So again, if you're shopping for new or just new to you, we would love to talk. We got 5-year ceramic coating starting at only $875. And that includes everything I just listed before. So again, full exterior detail, buffer applied polish, isopropyl alcohol bath to do a panel prep, and then application of the coating to the paint, and it will look this wet every single time. So if you are in Grand Chutes, Appleton, De Pere, Green Bay, anywhere in the Fox Valley, we would typically serve you here, but we do offer mobile installation as well. As long as you have a garage with basic power and water available, we can come to you. The exact same products are used, exact same quality results. We bring everything we need with us. Again, we just need a basic water and power hookup and an indoor space to work in. If you'd like a quote, text me at 920-659-0023 or go to the website coatingsbythebay.com. We have an awesome promotion coming up this fall. And I guess I will tease it now. It's going to start opening week of football. If you just request a quote, no spending money, request a quote, you'll be entered to win 2 tickets in the first deck to the Bears-Packers game, December 7th. So that's 1 entry just for requesting a quote. Should you proceed with the service, you'll get 20 more entries. Contest will end November 30th. Drawing will be December 1st. Tickets will be electronically transferred, and again, guaranteed first deck. 2 tickets, Packers, Bears. We got 2 big games against the Bears, only a couple weeks apart. That is the first of the 2 matchups at home here in Lambeau. So if you'd like a chance to win 2 tickets to the Bears Packers, all you have to do is request a quote between now and November 30th. Drawing will be on the 1st, and if you do proceed with the coating, any coating service from us, you will get 20 more entries. Best of luck.